Am I audible? Please respond, anyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today I am explaining some remaining important problems from the even odd topic. So it is a discontinuity function. Last four methods I explained in the continuity method. So in the interval minus pi to pi, in the interval 0 comma 3, in the interval 1 comma 2, so 0 comma 5, something these types of intervals are called the continuity. So now today class discontinuity. So discontinuity means pi less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to pi. So x is split into the two function. Therefore f of x equal to first function f of x1 in the range minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, and f of x2 this range 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. So totally this limit starting from minus pi and ending with pi. So minus pi to pi, but f of x not defined in the direct limit minus pi to pi. It is split at the value 0. సో మైనస్ పై నుంచి పైకి డైరెక్ట్గా మనకి ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఇవ్వలేదు. సో వీటిని స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నాం. స్ప్లిటింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎక్కడంటే 0 దగ్గర. So now splitting the continuity interval at a point that is called the discontinuity. So example is in the interval starting from minus pi ending with pi. So now I disconnect at 0. So these are negative terms, these are positive terms. Here defined f of x equal to, for example, capital A, and here f of x equal to capital B. Not given the total range minus pi to pi. These type of problems are called as discontinuity functions. So taking one important problem from the even or odd function, the problem statement as obtain a Fourier series for the function, obtain Fourier series for the function f of x given by f of x equal to 1 plus 2x by pi minus pi less than or equal to x minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, and 1 minus 2x by pi this range 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. So this is the problem. The problem statement is obtain a Fourier series for the function f of x is given by f of x have two disconnect values. So it is a disconnected function where it disconnected at 0. Actually, the interval starts from minus pi and end with plus pi. So the starting limit is minus pi, ending with is pi, but not given f of x in the starting and ending limits. So it is disconnect at the 0. So define f of x as minus pi to 0 one value, and define f of x as another value 0 to pi. So that's why this is called the important problem. It is called as disconnectivity functions. So we have to check each function is even or odd. Why? Why we choose this even or odd model? Because the interval starting with minus ending with plus with the same value. So the starting value minus pi and ending value pi, signs are different, but value is pi. So in this case, all problems we have calculated in the even or odd function. So how to identify the given problem is even or odd? The identification is same value of limits with negative to positive. Then we have to check the given problem f of x is even or odd. Suppose f of x is even, we have to find out only two values. The two values are called a naught an. These are cosine function or even function. Suppose f of x is odd, then we have to calculate it only bn value. It is an odd function, and another name is sine function. So even if f of x is even, we find out a naught an value. Suppose f of x is odd, we have to calculate only bn value. So how to find? Suppose f of x is a naught an not even and not odd. So in this case, the interval starting from minus pi to pi, then the problem is calculated into the Euler's. When the given limits are minus pi to pi, so first we have to select the method even or odd. Check is f of function is even or odd. If suppose f of x is not even nor odd, then this problem went to Euler's method. సో ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆడ్ ఫంక్షన్ అవ్వకపోతే ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఇంటర్వెల్ మైనస్ పై టు పై ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఈ రేంజ్లో మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ ఈవెన్ ఆడ్ అవ్వట్లేదంటే సో దిస్ ప్రాబ్లం ఈ సాల్వ్ ఇన్ ది యూలర్స్ మెథడ్. ఇన్ ది యూలర్స్ మెథడ్ we have to calculate three values a naught, an, bn. So the first two methods are full range methods. That full range methods are Euler's and change of interval. And the last two methods are half range methods, that are half range sine series, half range cosine series, or even or odd function. So first we have to calculate the function f of x is even or odd. Why we choose the function is even or odd? Because the limits, starting limit is minus pi and ending limit is pi. The minus pi to pi interval in the method of even or odd. So first we check is f of function, is f of x is even or odd. What is the formula of even or odd? Taking x by minus x and getting f of x, it is even. Suppose minus f of x, we are getting minus f of x, it is odd. So in this formula, so applying to the problem. So the problem is f of x equal to 1 plus 2x by pi in the interval minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, and 1 minus 2x by pi in the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. Replace x by minus x is equal to, so in every x replace it minus x. ఎక్కడ x కనిపిస్తుంది దాని ప్లేస్ లో మైనస్ x పెట్టండి. 1 plus 2x by pi, replace x by minus x, then it is converted to minus 2x by pi, and the range also replace x by minus x. Minus pi less than or equal to here x, so I replaced it minus x. In every term change it from minus x to, sorry, x to minus x. And second value here 1 plus 2x minus of minus plus 2, so 1 plus 2x by pi in the range 0 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to pi. So this is the first step. In the first step we have to observe the range of value is not in negative side. Range always every time positive. So 0 less than x less than 1, 1 less than 2 less than 3. So 0 less than lambda less than 5. So in every interval, the range must be in positive, but here x is negative. For example, we are taking one example. So Yeluru to Vijayawada distance is 60 kilometers. So this distance of Yelur to Vijayawada is 60 kilometers. This 60 is not in minus. So Yelur to Vijayawada distance is minus 60 kilometers. So it is not sufficient. That's why we are taking only positive term. But in the above step, the range x is negative. So that's why I am multiplying minus to only the range. So applying the minus to the only range. Okay, that equal to, so the values are not changed. 1 minus 2x by pi and 1 plus 2x by pi. The first value multiplying with minus of the entire series. So minus pi of minus, that equal to pi less than or equal to minus into minus plus x less than or equal to minus 0. Either minus or plus 0, any one is same. And the second value 0 less than or equal to minus into minus plus x less than or equal to minus pi. So this is the second stage. I have to replace the second stage into interchange. So interchanging the second stage. So the first value as a second value and second value as a first value. So I write this first value, the second value into the first position, 1 plus 2x by pi. And we know that 1 less than or equal to 2 less than or equal to 3 or 3 greater than 2 greater than 1. So these two equations are same. So 1 less than 2 less than 3 anna, 3 greater than 2 greater than 1 anna ఒకటే. So using this condition, I write the second interval. I write the second interval in reverse manner. That reverse manner is first minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. Here it is in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to minus pi. So I reverse it, minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. So observe that this is the minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. And again I write the first term into the second position. So here 1 minus 2x by pi, and also I write the interval into reverse manner. That reverse manner is starting with 0. So 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi in the second position. This is the condition. So I am taking x by minus x, but also I got same function of f of x is repeat. So this condition like as f of minus x equal to f of x. X ప్లేస్ లో మైనస్ ఎక్స్ పెట్టినప్పటికి కూడా మనకి సేమ్ ప్రాబ్లం రిపీట్ అయింది కాబట్టి ఈ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ని ఏమంటాం ఈవెన్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటాం. Therefore f of x is even. When f of x is even, we have to find out two values. That two values are a naught, an. So in even odd method, we have to calculate it, the function f of x half range. That half range is a naught an one and bn is another one. So we have to find the values of a naught an. So in finding the a naught n value, we have to identify the L value. So L equal to, here the intervals minus pi to pi, in two intervals minus pi to pi, taking the average of these two limits without their signs, pi plus pi by 2. So that equal to 2 pi by 2. So L equal to pi. L equal to pi, the formula is Euler's. But in the Euler's, we have to calculate only A naught N value. So write the function f of x formula. F of x equal to a naught by 2 sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx pi cancel. So first find out value is a naught. The formula of a naught is 1 by L. Here L equal to pi, 1 by pi. So we know that f of minus x equal to f of x. So replace x by x. We are taking only one value. So that value is f of minus x is also f of x. So in the limits 0 to pi, it is even. So we have to taking this value only. మనకి ఇచ్చిన లిమిట్ ఏమొచ్చింది, ఈవెన్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సో ఈవెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్, హౌ టు రైట్ ది ఈవెన్ ఇంటర్వెల్, the total interval starting from minus pi to pi, but here f of x is even, this f of x is even, already we show that. So that's why the interval minus pi to pi is converted to 0 to 2 pi, we have to write 2. So in the minus pi to pi, suppose f of x is even, we have to write the minus pi to pi as 2 into integral 0 to pi. In the 0 to pi, the value is pi, that equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi 1 minus 2x by pi into dx. Okay, integrating with two values, integral by 2 in the range is 0 to pi. 2 cancel. Now simplify the equation. So 2 by pi, the upper limit pi, the lower limit is 0, substituting x, minus 1 by pi x square, that means pi square minus 0. So pi square cancel. Observe that pi minus pi, pi minus pi 0, 0 into 2 pi, that is also 0. So finally a naught value is 0. So a naught value 0. Now we have to find out the value of an. So the formula of an equal to 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx. But already we show that is f of x is even. In the interval of minus pi to pi, f of x is even. So this minus pi to pi is changed to 2 into integral 0 to pi. 2 into integral 0 to pi. So in the 0 to pi, f of x value in the interval is 1 minus 2x by pi. 1 minus 2x by pi. Now we have to calculate the inside of integration like as two different terms. The first bracket value is algebra term and the second value is trigonometric term. In this situation, we are taking the first preference from the Euler principle. In the Euler principle, the first preference inverse trigonometric not in the integration, logarithmic is also not in the integration. The algebra term is available in the integration. The term is 1 plus 2x by y. In the preference of Euler principle, I am choosing the value of u as 1 minus 2x by pi. I apply the integration solve into the one shortcut. The shortcut is the algebra term write in the directly and apply the derivative of 1 minus 2x by pi. 1 has 0, the derivative of 1 is 0 and minus 2 by pi is constant, minus 2 by pi is constant, and derivative of x equal to 1. Then the second condition is alternative signs. Every term first starting with plus and minus, here minus into minus plus. Next, the opposite of the cos nx. So here taking 1 minus 2x by pi directly, we are not taking the cos nx directly. So integral of cos nx sin nx by n. Integral of cos nx equal to sin nx by n. And taking the integration of sin nx by n, total bracket value integration, this total bracket value integration, sin nx integration minus cos nx by n square. So the limits are 0 to pi. Already last class I had said that in sine full angle, sin pi x, sin 0a, sin 2 pi, sin 3 pi, any sine full angles are 0. This value completely in the upper limit and lower limit it is 0. So replacing it x equal to 0, completely the integration is, the total value is 0. So I cancel this total value. In the outside, 2 by pi, the outside value is 2 by pi. And this 2 by pi, 2 into 2, 4 by pi square. And n square also constant, 4 by pi square n square, minus also constant. Replace first upper limit, cos n pi, and lower limit, cos 0. Cos n pi equal to minus 1 power n, so in outside minus 4 by pi square n square, cos n pi. So here n is not negative, not not even nor odd. So that's why minus 1 power n cos 0 equal to 1. So putting, suppose n is a odd value, taking n is odd. So minus 1 power 1 minus 1. So it is convert to minus 2. Minus 2 into 4 minus 4, 8 by pi square n square. Here n is odd. Suppose n is even, minus 1 whole square, it is plus 1 minus 1, 0. So only n is odd value exists, and remaining value 2, n value 2, n value 4, n value 6, all terms are 0. So substituting these values a naught a n, so we have to write a n value 8 by pi square n square, where n is odd, where n is odd. Substituting these values in f of x. F of x equal to the formula a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx. So replace a naught by 2. A naught by 2 value is 0, and a n. So it is only odd terms. So n equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5 only exist, because 2 comma 4 comma 6 n value 0. So n equal to 8 by pi square n square, here multiple of cos nx. Write the constant terms to the outside of sigma. So 8 by pi square into, expand the sigma, first n equal to 1, cos 1 into x by 1 square, plus n equal to 3, cos 3x by 3 square, cos 5x by 5 square. This is like this. Okay, this is the very very important problem from the even odd function. The function f of x, we have to disconnect it. The disconnect function is like as f of x equal to 2 function range 1 plus 2x by pi in the range minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0, 1 minus 2x by pi in the range 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. So observe that the starting limit, ending limits are negative to positive with same limits. So we are choosing the value of even odd function. In the even odd function, first we calculate the function is even or odd. So replace x by minus x. In the x by minus x, it is converted to 1 minus 2x and minus into minus plus. This is minus x, this is minus. In the range, always is a positive value, not in negative value. That's why the range is multiplying with only multiplying minus with the range. So the range is converted to, so this is plus pi plus x, plus x minus pi. So write opposite second term as a first term as a second term. 1 plus 2x by pi is in the first position. The range, right? So reverse order minus pi less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. And first term 1 minus 2x by pi. So it also 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. So clearly it is the given problem f of x. Here taking f of minus x, we are getting f of x. Then f of x is even. Suppose f of x is even, we have to find out only a not n values and find out the value of L. Clearly the value of L is pi because here two intervals are pi. So taking L equal to pi. When replacing L equal to pi in the basic formula, the basic formula is completely converted into the Euler's formula. But in the Euler's formula, we have to find out A naught, A and B and full range. But we are in even odd method. So same Euler's formula, but we have to calculate only A naught, A n. By mistakenly, you calculated Bn, that Bn equal to 0. So it is a time waste process. Therefore, the given problem is even, then we have to calculate only A naught, A n. And the given problem is odd, then we have to calculate only Bn value. Okay. సో ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. And another discontinuity functions are available in change of interval. So taking this problem, I explaining briefly, taking this problem as a homework. So find a Fourier series for f of t. This f of t is first value 0 in the range minus 2 less than t less than minus 1 and 1 plus t minus 1 less than t less than 0 and 1 minus t 0 less than t less than 1 and 0 1 less than t less than 2. Ultimately the final limit, so the limit starting from minus 2 and ending from 2. So observe that the limit starts from minus 2 and end from 2. Finally, the given problem limits are minus 2 to 2. The given limits starting from minus 2 to 2. But in the minus 2 to 2, we have to splitting into 4 types of intervals. So taking the full range of minus 2 to 2, so this is minus 2 and it is plus 2. So first to breaking the minus 2 to minus 1. So minus 2 to minus 1. Here f of t value 0 and minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. The value f of t value 1 plus t and 0 to 1. and again splitting 0 to 1 here, f of t value 1 minus t. Finally 1 to 2, the value is 0. So first value and last value is 0. So we have to simplify only two values. The two values are minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1. Each function is even or odd. So taking f of t, replace t by minus t. So 1 minus t, here 1 plus t. So this not possible if calculated even or odd. So that's why we have to calculate a total value a naught, an, bn in the method of change of interval. Using the method of change of interval, we have to calculate it a naught, an, bn. Why? Here only two limits are given as a last problem, like so. So we have to simplify it. But here totally four intervals. That's why it is not possible to solve in even odd. So f of t equal to 0 minus 2 less than t less than minus 1, 1 plus t minus 1 less than t less than 0, 1 minus t, 0 less than t less than 1, and 0, 1 less than t less than 2. So the total interval of L equal to 1, the formula is A naught equal to, first we have to write f of x. F of x equal to L value 1. So 2 by 2, that equal to 2 by 2 equal to, so removing L value, so 2 into 2. So L value 2. So removing minus 2 plus 2. So removing sign of values and average of two values. So L value 2. So taking L value 2 and substituting f of x, the f of x is converted to a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L. Here L equal to 2. Where a naught equal to 1 by L, so 1 by 2, integral minus 2 to 2, f of x dx. So simplify, I simplified only a naught value, you have to calculate it a and bn. So taking a naught value, a naught equal to 1 by 2, integral minus 2 to 2, f of x dx. Observe that the total interval starting with minus 2 ending with plus 2, here minus 1, 0, 1. So the value is 0, the value 1 plus t, the value of f of t equal to 1 minus t, and this value is 0. ఒకసారి ఇది సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్ లో ఉంటారు కదా అవలేదా ఏం అవ్వలేదు మీరు రాయలేదండి క్లాస్ లో అయిపోయింది ఇంకేం అవ్వాలి హలో okay, in the interval minus 2 to minus 1, this value is 0. In the interval minus 2 to minus 1, this value is 0, and 1 to 0, this value is 1 plus t, and 0 to 1 is 1 minus t, 1 to 2 is 0. So this situation we use in the interval. So I splitting the given problem as one by 2 minus 2 to minus 1 f of x d, sorry, f of t. So replace the variable also, f of t dt. Here also f of t dt. Minus 2 to minus 1, f of t dt. Minus 1 to 0, f of t dt. 0 to 1, f of t dt. 1 to 2, f of t dt. Okay. So replacing values, the values of first minus 2 to t is 0. First value 0. Second value 1 plus t. Third value 1 minus t. Fourth value 0. In the 0 intervals, we have to erase and this value also. So 1 by 2. Integral of 1 into dt, t plus integral of t square by 2 in the limits minus 1 to 0 plus here also t minus t square by 2 in the limit 0 to 1. So here 0 to 1 it is easily calculated the limits 1 minus 1 by 2. So the total value is 1 by 2. In the first value replacing 0. So 0 0 and minus 1 minus 1. So that equal to minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 the value into 1 by 2. So finally the value of a naught equal to 1 by 2. So this value is 1 minus 1 by 2 it equal to 1 by 2. This value upper limit is 0. This value is 0. Second value is minus of 1 plus 1 by 2. So that equal to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So it is equal to a naught value equal to minus of minus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So that equal to a naught equal to 1 by 2. Here already 1 by 2 in outside. So a naught equal to 1 by 2. So similarly, you find out a and b n. Okay. Okay. All of you raise your hands. Only 24 members. Okay. This is the Fourier series topic. Next class we are discussed that Fourier transforms. So Fourier transforms is completely different from the Fourier series. ఈ 4 year సిరీస్ మీద ఇచ్చిన హోంవర్క్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్